Welcome to the low voltage detector of the HT8 MCU basic tutorial. This course will take you to understand the low voltage detector of HT8 MCU from the following four aspects, which are LVD Introduction, LVD Principle, LVD Register, and LVD Multi-function Interrupt. LVD Introduction. What is an LVD? The LVD, which stands for low voltage detector, is used to monitor the power supply voltage and provide a warning signal should it fall below a certain level. The LVD function may be especially useful in battery applications where the supply voltage will gradually reduce as the battery ages, as it allows an early warning battery low signal to be generated. The low voltage detector also has the capability of generating an interrupt signal. LVD Principle. The low voltage detector function operates by comparing the power supply voltage with a pre-specified voltage level stored in the LVDC register. After enabling the low voltage detector, a time delay should be allowed for the circuitry to stabilize before reading the LVDO bit. Note also that as the power supply voltage may rise and fall rather slowly, at the voltage near that of low voltage detection value, the LVDO bit state may be not stable. When the power supply voltage falls below this predetermined value, the LVDO bit will be set high, indicating a low power supply voltage condition. When the interrupt is enabled, an interrupt can be triggered after a certain delay after the LVDO bit has been set to 1. It should be noted that when the MCU enters the sleep mode, to reduce power consumption, the low voltage detector will be disabled even if the LVDN bit is high. LVD Register. The low voltage detector function is controlled by the LVDC register. When the LVDO bit is set to 1, this indicates that the current power supply voltage is lower than the preset low voltage value. The LVDEN bit is used to control the overall on-off function of the low voltage detector. As the low voltage detector will consume a certain amount of power, it may be desirable to switch off the circuit when not in use, an important consideration in power-sensitive battery-powered applications. The VLVD2 to VLVD0 bits are used to select the preset low voltage value. LVD Multi-function Interrupt. According to the datasheet, the LVD interrupt is a multi-function interrupt and shares the same interrupt address with the EEPROM interrupt. The LVF bit will be set to 1 after a certain delay after the power supply voltage falls below the LVD preset voltage. Then what is the purpose of an LVD interrupt? An interrupt can be triggered after a certain delay after the power supply voltage falls below the LVD preset voltage. The CPU can handle other tasks without polling, thereby accelerating the running speed. Next, let's take a look at an LVD multifunction interrupt example. Define an interrupt service routine name. Use the lookup table to obtain the interrupt address. The multifunction interrupt routine includes several interrupt events. It is necessary to identify the corresponding interrupt request flag using the program, and then service and process the corresponding interrupt event. At the same time, these flags require to be manually cleared by software. Course Summary. In this course, we have learned about what an LVD is, as well as its principle, register, multifunction interrupt, and other contents. Through the study of this course, you will have a certain understanding of the LVD. Holtec provides a professional service team to support your development design and offer after-sales service. For more detailed product information and consultation, please feel free to contact our business departments.